Video editing has been made easy with mobile apps on our smartphone. Mobile apps like InShot, CapCut, Lightroom, KineMaster, and many more. And one of the best ways to catch attentions of your audience, to keep the attention of your audience of your video, is by the using of eye-catching captions. And in this video, I've created a some mini tutorial which will be showing you the step-by-step process of how you can create this attention-grabbing caption just with smartphone using the Capcut app. But before we dive into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video just like this. And as for the returning viewer, thank you. I really appreciate. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Yeah, just like I said earlier, the app we'll be using in creating the caption is a CapCut. So once you open your CapCut app, this is the first interface you'll be having. So you just have to click on New Project. Once you click on the new project, all the videos, the images you have on your phone will open up like this. So all you just have to do is to click on the video you want to edit. So I'm just going to click on one of the videos. You click on the video. So once you click on the video, you can see right down here we have add. So once you select the video, you click on add. If you want to select more than one or two videos, you can select all the videos. Then you click on add. After clicking on add, you get to this interface, which is the editing interface. You can see we've now got into another new interface. So this is the interface you will be editing the video. Once you go to this interface, right down here we have text. You can see we have text here. You click on the text icon, then you click on auto caption. If you want to create your caption without using auto caption, you can easily click on add text. You can use stickers as well. You can click on auto caption like that. So just click on auto caption. Then after clicking on auto caption, there are different templates you can use. There are different beautiful templates you can use. You can see right here we have a different templates. You can see all these templates. So you scroll down to select any of your preferred templates. All these PRO you are seeing pro, that is pro. These are templates are available for premium users, those that subscribe on the CapCut app. So the ones without the PRO test is the one that is free. So you can just select any of the templates. So I'll be using one of the templates so that you can understand what I'm saying. So you can see we have a different template in the video. So you can see all these templates. Different templates you can use. So you just select your the template you like to use. So you just select on any of the template. Once the template has been selected, you click on generate. Then you have to wait for some minutes while the caption is being generated, just for some minutes, depending on how long your video is. So just within some minutes, you can see right on our screen here, it says caption generated. So let me play the video so you can see the caption. So you can see this. So at times, after generating this with auto caption, at times with this, it may your wordings might not be correct. The text might not be correct. So all you just have to do is select on this. You can select on any of these. You can see the things are broken. These things are broken. So you can just select on this. Once you select on it, you can see we have style here. So you click on style. After clicking on style, we have template font. You can change the font of the text. The font can be changed. So you wait for a minute while the font is loading. So like this, the font, there are different fonts in CapCut you can use. You can select. There are different fonts, hundreds of fonts. So there are different fonts. You can even add your own font by clicking on the add font button. There are different fonts, beautiful fonts you can use even without adding your own font. There are different fonts you can see. So you can see I've just changed the font. You can see this, and you can even change your template just by clicking on template. You can change your template. You can see we have a beautiful template. So using this template, let's proceed with the tutorial. So once you've changed, like you said earlier, once you've changed your font, you can change your font to anything you want to edit. Anything, you click on it. If my text is not correct here, I'll just click into this space bar, into this bar, then my keyboard will show up, then I can correct any of the word. So just like that, you can edit any of the word that is not correct. And that to edit some text, if there are some vital point you want to highlight separately, you can just like this in the video I said, one of the best way to attract the attention of your, let's say, attract here or attention. I want to make it special. I want to make it different among the wordings. I'll just click on style. You can see once I click on style, if I should change anything on the text now, it will apply to all. So let's say I want this not to apply to all. I will just change this, apply to auto caption. I will just click on this. Once I click on that, anything I change now won't apply to all. So I will select this attention, then I can come to style, give it another color. Let's say I want to give it the red color, meaning that this attention in this word is a separate point. Is a vital point I want people to notice in my video. So like this, you can change anything. You can add sticker. Let's say you want to add sticker. You want to express your word. You want to express it with sticker. You can click on stickers. There are different stickers on the app you can use. There are different stickers. So there are different stickers. Let's say in the I mentioned something about laughing. I can just use the laughing sticker. I can use this, or I want people to like my video, I can use the liking icon, which is the like icon. So just like that, there are different stickers you can use in the app. The app is a very good app you can use in editing of the video. So that is just how you can create eye-catching and attention-grabbing caption just with your smartphone using the Capcut app. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube channel, and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I appreciate once again. Thanks for watching.
An app known as CapCut.